Introducing BrainBox, the perfect tool for your business. With the power of AI, GPT, and chat, BrainBox unlocks the potential of your business with automated processes and easy-to-use tools. Take your business to the next level with BrainBox and experience the power of AI. Get your BrainBox today and experience the power of AI for yourself. Are you looking for a way to boost customer engagement and improve customer service for your business? Look no further than BrainBox explains Chat GPT AI BrainBox. Chat GPT AI BrainBox provides your business with an intelligent customer service assistant that can answer customer inquiries, recommend products and services, and even provide customers with personalized recommendations. Not only will your customers be happy with the improved service, but you'll also save time and money while boosting customer loyalty. Get Chat GPT AI BrainBox today and see how it can help your business succeed. Artificial intelligence, AI, has made great strides in recent years, and one of the most impressive examples is the creation of language models like Chat GPT. This advanced language model is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture and is capable of processing and generating human-like responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. BrainBox Chat GPT AI Intelligence is a sophisticated tool that has the potential to revolutionize many fields, from customer service to healthcare to education. What is BrainBox Chat GPT AI Intelligence? BrainBox Chat GPT AI Intelligence is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. The model is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which is an improved version of the GPT-3 language model that has been trained on a vast corpus of text data to improve its natural language processing capabilities. BrainBox Chat GPT AI Intelligence is an advanced language model that has the potential to revolutionize many fields. The model can be used to improve customer service, enhance healthcare, and create more efficient business processes. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of AI, including bias and ethical concerns. It is important to carefully consider these issues when using AI models like BrainBox Chat GPT AI Intelligence to ensure that they are used in a responsible and ethical manner.